Namaste and welcome to Kaya Adventures. Today we are making a delicious fish curry. Here we have onions, green onions, garlic, ginger, chili and tomato. We also have the first basa fillet. We begin with cutting fish into pieces. Then we put an oil in a pan. Once the oil is heated, put some cumin, mustard, you can put some cardamom and cloves as well. Then put some onions and stir for about 1 minute. Then put green onions. Then again stir for about 1 minute. Then put chili, garlic, ginger all together. And again stir and mix it up. Then put some turmeric, salt, cumin powder and coriander powder. Then put tomato and mix it all up for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once it is well cooked, pour it into another vessel so that we can mix it up to make a paste for our fish curry. We can add some water, a little bit of water and mix it. Now fry our fish for about 5 minutes in oil. Once the fish is cooked, mix it with the curry paste that we made and steam it about like 5 to 10 minutes. You can add some cauliflower or coriander to make it a bit more delicious. And now it's ready to be served. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for our new videos.